How to report fraud on Rabobank NZ application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to report fraud on Rabobank NZ application. So to report a fraud on Rabobank NZ app or regarding your Rabobank account, you should immediately contact Rabobank by phone or through your secure messaging feature within the app. So you can also actually report suspicious emails or text or calls to appropriate channels. You can call them as shown on the screen. There's such phone number for online saving and such phone numbers for country banking. And if you are overseas, you can also contact these numbers over here. And similarly, the contact numbers are available on their website, so you can just visit the their legit website as well. And if nothing works for you, you can just reach out to them by contacting them through this email personally, just like this. Or you can also finally go to this website, that is rabobank.co.nz, which is a contact us page of the Rabobank itself, and you can just simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is complaint. So you can just register a complaint over here, or if you have some kind of inquiry such as you want to report something, you can just give it over here by simply putting all of the information mentioned over here. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.